Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss intermolecular force in state of matter for 11th class. What is intermolecular force? In gaseous state, the force of attraction or repulsion between the particles are called intermolecular force. Right? The force of attractions as well as repulsion between the particles are called intermolecular force. These forces such as dispersion force or London force. These forces arise between the non-polar atoms. Atoms and non-polar molecules are electrically symmetrical and have no dipole moment because their electric charge cloud is symmetrical distributed. No dipole moment indicate the non-polar. Dipole moment we have already discussed in our previous unit, chemical bonding. Noble gases and also O2 and 2 H2 etc. So dispersion force or London force. It can be understood the origin of these force. Let us consider by two atoms A and V. It is clear in your screen. The atoms A and V have positive charge in center and symmetrically distributed. When these atoms are combined to have induced force and indicate the positive charge transfer to the side of the atoms like this and indicate by positive sign, and head of the arrow is indicate to the negative sign, right? These are negative and positive are attract to each other and form dispersion force or London force. Another force is dipole dipole force. Dipole dipole, it means they have no dipole moment. These type of force occur in the molecules which have permanent electrically dipole. It means both of the atoms are so dipole, such as HCl, NH3H2, etc. These force is also called Kelson force. Kelson force, like this HCl. Hydrogen electropositive than the chlorine is electronegative element. Chlorine is more electronegative element than the hydrogen. Therefore, they have partially negative charge. On the other hand, hydrogen have partially positive charge. And another molecules of HCl come close to each other, then the partial negative charge Cl and partially positive charge of hydrogen are attract to each other, right? And come closer. Is called dipole dipole force. Third is dipole induced dipole force. These type of force occur between the polar molecules. One is the polar and another one is non-polar. Non-polar molecules produce induced dipole force, while dipole are formed by polar molecules. Like A have partially positive, B are partially negative. Arrow indicate head of the arrow indicate the negative sign, and positive signs also indicate by positive. Therefore, these are non-polar, and negative positive charges are shift in one side and form induced dipole, right? And these partially negative, while in non-polar these pole is positive. Therefore, these are close together. These forces arise like noble gases and iodine molecules, etc. Fourth is hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bond, the bond formation between hydrogen and more electronegative elements like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. is called hydrogen bonding. Further, I repeated, the bond formation between the hydrogen and more electronegative element like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Uh, and there are two examples of the hydrogen bonding like HF and H2O. These dotted line indicate the hydrogen bonding between the HF covalent bond and also H2O is covalent molecules, while O between H form a hydrogen bonding. These are indicated by dotted line. That's clear. These are the intermolecular force of gaseous molecules. Right. Okay. Thank you.